Hell no, come on, quick.
All right, y'all, so I had to tune in on this one. At first, I thought this was a simple spark plug change, but this is what, 2008? 2009? Shit, y'all see, I got the whole fucking cabinet out to pull out this shit, man. So shit, we are already changed out 1, 2, and 3. I just gotta put, and then that's actually perfect, bro. I can literally throw the fucking throw the things on there while I got this off. You know what I'm saying? I already got the plugs in, but I can go ahead and throw the coil packs back on. But shit, boom, we about to fly through this shit now, man. So first things first, you guys gotta disconnect all of this shit. Then you're gonna have to take off the intake manifold. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's how you remove the intake manifold, on top of unplugging all of this other shit. And then back here, we got our last 3 spark plugs. This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's 4, 5, 6. All right. So now we're gonna go ahead. Spark plugs are 5/8. Coil pack bolts are gonna be 10 millimeter. We're gonna try to hurry up because we don't want this the engine exposed for too long. So we're gonna try to put a little pep in it. Boom. All right, got the other spark plug coil pack. And then this would be a perfect time if you want to double check anything. Make sure everything torqued down to your specifications. All that good jazz. So, all right, y'all, let's get it.